wall reach?
Someone got mad and punched the hole through the wall.
Someone got mad and punched through the wall. Look at
Hey,
me.
it's a little cold still to go in the water.
I know. Wait, you can go in the water here? What? What? Oh, that's a lot. That's cool.
Ah, we're going to the side.
Ah! Just taking a picture?
Yeah.
What?
Let's go.
Wait, what? That's bigger than this.
It's a big dog.
That's way bigger.
Oh, that's the dog from Scooby-Doo.
Hello?
Yeah,
Yes.
what kind of dog is this
She's
again?
a Great Dane. She loves everybody. She loves little kids.
Isn't this a dog from Scooby-Doo? Yeah. I told you, see?
The Scooby-Doo dog.
It looks just like Scooby-Doo. What's the name?
Natasha.
Natasha, you're
She loves to be
beautiful.
scratched under her chin.
You're such a beautiful dog.
She likes to smell your
Massive.
breath.
Wow. Maya.
Park.
Yep. The park. I think that's the swing he goes on.
Oh. Like it? You like it? Yeah. You get that little tickle?
Whee!
That's it.
Ooh. All right, go ahead. Ooh. Got Nehemiah drinking milk, Mariah on her tablet, Nate on the Switch.
Look, Mario Wonder Bros is so fun. It's a great game,
Javier
guys.
went into Hartford Giant Grinders to get us some grinders for lunch. Hopefully it's really good. I've never tried it. Yeah, those are really big. Wow.
This is called Hartford Giant Grinder.
Oh, yep. Wow, those are big.
Sleeping. Just look at him.